Hey guys, it's Teacher Modi. I hope you guys are having a good long weekend, and I was hoping to touch base with things that we're going to study this week. Um, Among the things that we're going to study this week, I think is about time that we see active and passive voice. Active and passive voice is a lesson in English grammar that allow you to have good command of especially tenses, and also here we're basically looking at verbs. So you have to have a good command of verbs. We have active and passive. So in active and passive voice, you have to this is just a short summary, just trying to make you understand what is active and passive. Active is when is a normal sentence. Active sentence is a normal sentence, which everybody in our normal conversation is actually using. Like, I am playing football. I am playing football, or I played football, or she plays football. That's the active sentence. Why? Because the subject or the doer, I, actually, you remember, you guys, that we have been dealing with active and passive voice, active voice for a very long time, and you have seen that we always have a subject who is doing the action, that is the verb, and also you guys understand that also we have objects. Objects is the receiver of the action. For example, she is playing football. She is the one who is doing the action. The verb is the action itself, and the receiver of the action is the ball. Okay, so when you look at that sentence, that's a normal sentence which we normally construct, but we have a new version that just came, and we have to now look at it, because when you study English, you normally focus on active voice. Why? Because the structure of active voice is what we use all the time to try to learn the basic or the most important part of English. So and also the conversation that we make daily consist almost 90 some percent of active voice. Okay, so now today we're going to have an opportunity to learn something new, which is passive voice. Passive voice is a English construction that means a sentence. This is a sentence. We're talking about a sentence based on how the action or the doer, what is the position of the doer and what is the position of the recipient. So in this case here, we see that the recipient, for instance, if I say the professor teaches the students. The professor teaches the students. When I say the professor teaches the students, this is actually active voice. Why? Because the doer is the subject, and the verb is the action that is done to the students. Okay, so if I want to make a passive voice out of this sentence, I will have to exchange position between the recipient. The recipient now becomes the subject. Okay, and the subject becomes the object, which is going to be like the sentence will be the students are taught by the professor. So you can see the professor now comes at the end of the sentence. Okay, the professor was a subject in active voice. Now the professor who is doing the action is coming at the end. Okay, and the one who is actually receiving the action is at the beginning of the sentence. So when you look at this, you find out that this is grammatical function that one part of the sentence turn from one side, go one part of the sentence, or a subject exchange the position with the object. Okay, so the object becomes the receiver, which means the receiver now becomes the main focus. Okay, so that's basically what is active and passive voice. I hope you guys just get this short introduction, and we're going to have enough time in class, and we're going to make sure that you guys understand this lesson. I just wanted to give you this recap at the today, so that you guys can actually know what is it that we are about to tackle tomorrow on Tuesday. If you have any questions, just remember that we will be in class and prepare all those questions. And if you have anything that you want to share with us, then you will have a chance to do that. Thank you very much, and I will see you guys in class.